Hey guys, this is Gilbert here at George Chevrolet. Today I want to talk about the 2020 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. It comes with a lot of custom features. Let's go check it out. The reason why they call this the Trail Boss because it is off-road ready. As you can see, it comes with 18-inch wheels, all-terrain tires, and a 2-inch factory lift. Another unique feature on this Trail Boss is the blacked out grille along with the black Chevrolet emblem, Z71 badging. Also for you off-roaders, we have the red recovery hooks along with the LED fog lights. As you guys can see, the Trail Boss is fully loaded. Some of the features are right back here. We do have the chrome dual exhaust tips, rear view camera, along with parking sensors, side step, power lift gate, and one of my favorites, the 120 volt power outlet. The Trail Boss is equipped for any off-road scenario. On the driver's side, here we do have buttons for the 4 high, 4 low, 2 high automatic, and the drive mode selector for all types of terrains. It also comes standard with an 8-inch screen, trailering app, and it lets you see everything you need for towing. Whether you're on the trail or stuck in traffic, you'll be comfortable in this Trail Boss because it does come with heated leather seats and a premium Bose sound system. Whether you're a serious off-roader or just looking to purchase an awesome-looking truck, the 2020 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss will give you a driving experience like no other. If you're interested in learning more, go ahead and give me a call. My direct number is 310-897-7911. Or come visit me here at George Chevrolet off the 91 freeway, Lakewood exit in the city of Bellflower.